What is the Feynman technique and how can you apply it to become effective at studying? The Feynman principle in learning, also known as the Feynman technique, is a powerful method developed by Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman to enhance understanding and retention of complex concepts. This technique involves simplifying and explaining a concept as if you were teaching it to a child, identifying gaps in your understanding, refining your explanation, and repeating the process until you achieve a clear and concise understanding. How to apply the Feynman technique to your learning? Choose a concept. Select a specific topic or concept that you want to learn deeply. Start by writing down everything you already know about the subject. Teach it simply. Pretend to explain the concept to a child or someone unfamiliar with the topic. Use simple language, analogies, and examples to ensure clarity. This step helps you identify areas where your understanding may be lacking. Reflect and refine. Review your explanation and identify gaps in your understanding. Know which parts were difficult to explain or where details were missing. Return to the source material to fill in these gaps and refine your explanation. Organize and review. Present your simplified explanation to someone else to test your understanding. Pay attention to their questions and feedback. Organize your notes, simplify further if needed, and repeat the process until you can explain the concept clearly. By following these steps of the Feynman technique, simplify explanations, identifying gaps in understanding, refining explanations, and organizing knowledge, you can deepen your comprehension of complex subjects, improve retention, and develop strong communication skills that will benefit your learning across various disciplines.